There are two types of stitched outlines. One is a running stitch and the other is a satin stitch. A running stitch can be edited in many ways. With the design selected, the first thing is to choose the type of running stitch you want. There are over 500 running stitches available in DesignWorks. Just click on the type of stitch you want and the software immediately updates that type of decorative stitch. Directional patterns can be changed by clicking on Mirror Style, and that will reverse the direction of a running stitch that is around an object. If I select this outline and uncheck and recheck Mirror Style, it does not have an effect. So the Mirror Style only works for enclosed shapes. If you want a directional stitch to reverse direction in an open object, the line must be digitized in the opposite way, or you can rotate the line and the stitches will be reversed. The offset of a run stitch will influence how far that running stitch will be placed from the original drawn line. I'm going to activate the outline design, which will show the vector image in the background of the object. If I have this design selected and I increase the offset, the drawn line will move outside the enclosed area. If I use the down arrow and get a negative value, the drawn line will be inside the original vector image. If I do that same thing with just an outline design and increase the offset, you can see that the line moved away from the original drawn line and it's on top. And if I decrease to get a negative value, the line moves below, and that's assuming that you draw a line from left to right. Offset values range from -15 to +15. Another way you can edit a stitch line is to increase or decrease the number of passes. And if you increase the number of passes, it's going to give more emphasis to the stitch. If a check mark is placed by length and the value is changed, the width of the running stitches will also be changed. It affects both the length as well as the width.